Hello, this is Jane in Reviews, and this was a free sample by Prohibition. So it is a daily moisturizing cream, but let me tell you why it's the best one that I have so far among the other creams. So this is the package, as you can see here. And I like it because it's very natural. It doesn't have any parabens or a lot of chemicals or anything like that. This is how it looks, it's white and it has like jojoba oil. I also like it because it balances the oil on my skin. As you can see, my skin is not oily. I just wash my face and I'm planning to do some skincare for the review. And all you have to do is apply it on your skin. It's very light. It can be used by men or women, and you can put it in the morning or at night. And after that, you can continue with serums and other treatments, or you can even put a little bit of makeup on. It's a great moisturizer. Like right now, my face feels very clean and my face feels very hydrated, which is awesome. I also like it because I can just go ahead and follow with my under the eye routine and some serums. But this cream is great. You need to try it. I honestly am planning, this is my favorite one so far. I hope you check them out and thank you for watching my video.